Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix local volume on iPhone. By following the few simple steps that I show you now, you'll be able to fix local volume on iPhone very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes by saying that. Let's start the video. There are three methods to fix this problem, and for the first one, go to the settings and scroll down and tap on sound and haptics, and here on the setting page of sounds and haptics, make sure the slider of ringtone and alerts is all the way to the right and enable the feature called change with buttons, and then you'll be able to fix that problem. And for the second method, go to the main setting page and scroll up and tap on the option called accessibility and scroll down, and here on the section of physical and motor, tap on the option called touch and scroll all the way down and tap on call audio routing, and here call audio routing determines where audio will be heard during a phone call or FaceTime audio. And here if call audio routing is set to the Bluetooth headset or speaker, then you might face that problem. So set the call audio routing to the automatic, and then you'll be able to fix that problem. And for the last method, take a cotton swab or the toothpick and clean the earpiece of the iPhone on the top and clean it thoroughly, then you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is how you can fix the local volume on iPhone. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.